finding out that you're listening, and this is your first time on stage in front of you. So I think that's very powerful. I think it's an incredible. I think we are without a change.